Hey everyone, and welcome back. For today's video, I just have a quick one for you. I was sent the iMethod eyebrow kit from iMethod, and so I just wanted to show you how I use it and how I've been enjoying it and my thoughts and that sort of thing. So yeah, it looks like this, and it says it is the perfect eyebrows in seconds, and it's from iMethod Beauty. So it comes in this box. There are several different shades. I got the shade, it says 05. I believe this was light brown that I got. It looks very warm on the sticker. Don't go by the stickers, go kind of by the description, because it is a perfect shade for me. It's not warm at all. Whereas, yeah. Anyway, this is the box it comes in. It comes with a nice bag with everything in it. Mine's a little dirty. It's been loved the last week. And it says iMethod on it, and it just has, it's just like one of those reusable Ziploc bag type of things. It does come with instructions on how to use it. It comes with 5 different types of stencils or sizes, or yeah, brow shapes, that's the word, shapes of stencils for your brows. It also comes with the sponge, which is nice and dirty. Yeah, thoughts on that in a little bit. It comes with the pomade. Again, it's kind of like a paint pot or just a regular pomade, I guess. That it comes with, and it also comes with the spoolie and eyeliner kind of duo brush here. So that is what I got. So I'm going to show you how it works. Obviously I don't have my brows on. My brows are very, very sparse. I'm not sure how well this will pick up on the camera or not, but I have some here, I have none here, and then we're kind of bald on the side, and it's both, it's like that both ways on both sides. So I will show you how to use this. So you find your ideal shape that you want for your brows. So I will show you this because it's not dirty. And if you look on the edge, it shows the tail. And then if you look on this end, for instance, for myself, I always kind of go to this line of reference with it and not to the outer edge because my brows are a lot shorter. So it's kind of nice that it gives you that option. Otherwise, I would, I'm poking myself and dropping stuff. Otherwise, I would literally have my brows almost being a unibrow, which I don't really want. So the ones that I have been using are the number 2s. Yes, number 2s. And they are dirty. They do come clean if you wipe them down right away, but if you let them dry, you kind of need a good scrub and, what's it called? A cleansing balm, like some sort of oil to get it off. I didn't have time to do that before I did this video. So again, it shows they are used, they are loved, and same with this little sponge thingy that you use to apply it. This, again, I haven't cleaned it after every time. I don't know if it would come cleaner. I don't know if it'll come clean with the soap that I use for my brushes and that sort of thing, but just with a cleansing balm and some face cleanser I tried cleaning it off with. It didn't come completely clean, but it's not crusty or anything. So it's not uncomfortable to use. It's not affecting how it's going on or anything like that. But I think if I would clean it, it says to wait for it to dry and then clean it. And I haven't done that. I just kept reusing it. So possibly it would come more clean if that bothers you. I'm not sure. But that's how these tools are. Okay, so it says you just dab it in. And then especially when you're starting, just to make sure you're not taking too much, just dab it in the cap so you don't have a lot. You can always build it up. Again, I'm sorry if I'm looking funny. I'm filming on my phone and I always forget I can't look this way. I have to look this way. So anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, so this is the first one. So basically you just want to line it up as best as you can with your brow. And this one, like I said, matches mine the best. So we'll line it up, make sure we're all in there. I always do it a little bit too high. And then I have to remind myself, go a little bit lower. So you're supposed to hold it down basically like this. Okay, there we go. Hold it down like this. Dab in the pot. You can't see I'm doing it, but I'm dabbing it in the pot. And then it says to start on the outside and just work your way in. And you're supposed to dab. I kind of dab a bit and then, or blot a bit, and then I just kind of swoosh it a little. And again, I only go to this line here. I don't go to the outer edge. And I usually go a little bit lighter. I don't go over that part as many times. And then I just kind of go back over this part here just a couple times just to make sure I got it all. And voila, my eyebrow. it's there. It looks good. I like the shape of it. It turned out. I have no problems with it. So that's one brow. Now I'm going to do the other side. So again, well loved. And it's just as simple as putting it on and lining it up. Making sure I'm putting it at the right angle. I think that's the hardest part, is lining it up, just for myself. Okay, it's on, and dab, dab, dab. And again, I swish a little too, just to make sure it's really getting in there. Dab, dab, dab. Only trying to go to this first part here. Dab, dab, dab. Making sure making sure I'm getting it all the way up. And I appreciate the amount of clearance I have, because there's been a few times where I've almost gotten it on my face from the outside. And there's the second one. Look, they match. They look so good. They are coming off as much more warm on camera than they actually are on my face. It is, if you have like a cooler kind of chestnutty kind of hair color, I think this will work for you, because it matches much more at the top part of my hair, not the grays, but like the chestnutty part than the bottom part where I have more red in it still. But yeah, I highly recommend this set. If something like this bothers you in the future, I'm going to try just like a regular makeup wedge sponge that you can buy from the dollar store and that sort of thing, because I think that will work similar. It has a similar feel to it and everything, so then you don't have to worry about if this doesn't come completely clean. And these do come clean as well. They're pretty sturdy plastic, so they can take a good bit of scrubbing. And this pomade that they have, it says it's waterproof, and I would say yeah, it is, because there's been times where I get it on my hands and I can't get it off. I need a cleansing balm or some face cleanser or something like that. So this isn't going anywhere once it sets, so you really want to make sure if you do make a bit of a mistake or something like that, that you kind of clean it up pretty quick. It does have the spoolie, which is nice, and the pomade itself is nice because I don't find I need a gel with it when I do it. The other thing is sometimes it does brush away just a little bit in this part here for some reason on both of mine. I think it's just the way I'm holding the stencil and the amount of product I have. So you can just use the inside of this, wipe it up a bit, and then just kind of go in and fill in quickly if you need to. And then, yeah, perfect. They're matching. And it is so quick. It is so easy. There are times where I sometimes do go in with a brow gel afterwards, and there's no problems with that. They don't react negatively to each other. There have also been times where I've gone in with my brow pen just to add those hair-like strokes and everything. But all in all, if you just like a pomade and something easy, this is fantastic. I highly recommend it. Again, it is from iMethod Beauty. I will leave it linked in the description box below. I don't believe it's an affiliate link or anything like that. If it is, I will mark it. So all in all, I really do enjoy this brow product. I wasn't holding out much hope for it when they contacted me, but I was pleasantly surprised. I've been using it every day since I got it. And yeah, it's easy to use. I thought the stencils would be a little bit cumbersome having to hold them, especially having to use my left hand to hold it and everything, but it wasn't. It was actually pretty easy. I was surprised. Yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you, iMethod, for sending this to me, and I hope you all have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.